Today we are going to learn about how to schedule reports and perform custom searches in the repository viewer for the new InTrust 11.0.5. The topics that we will be covering today would relate to custom searches and reports, add remove filters on a specific search, copy the inbuilt searches, modify the filters as required, run the search, and create and deliver a report. We will start at the repository viewer where we will be looking at the searches under event analysis. The search we will be copying is called all events by event ID computer. We'll go to the bottom right hand corner, press on copy to, and rename the search just by modifying the name of the search itself. All the searches that we save here are going to appear under the custom search folders. Now we can actually go ahead and add parameters to it or filters. As you will see, the normalized strings will give you the where criteria, as in where are we trying to search for. If you go to the drop down and choose primary, you can do further filtering on the event ID, on the source, as in the security system or application log, and if you scroll down, you can do also by the username. Once we are done with the filters we want to use, just cross out the select filter parameters window, and the search parameter I will be using is where. I will put in the name of my DC1, press on go to get the relevant results. Once we see that the results are coming up, they will start from the most recent event IDs and go in the descending order. Once the search completes, we will get about 4,997 events. Keep in mind it is also limited by the search limiter, which is 5,000 by default. We will further expand each of the result set, and we will notice they are grouped by the log, then the event ID, and then lastly the machine itself. Now if we want to schedule a report on this search, we will go to the top right hand corner, click on report, click on schedule report, and that will open up a new wizard for us. The first one, the time range, is going to decide how far back we want to go for the report. The second one is the delivery method. I'm just going to save this report to a shared folder. If we go next, this is how you schedule a report. You can choose the date, start time, and lastly the summary. Keep in mind you can click run report after I click OK, and it will run the report dynamically for you. I have to go back just to find out the UNC path for my shared folder. We'll go next, OK this time, and we will wait for the report to prepare. And once it is done with the preparation, you will see the scheduled report status, and you will see the item appear for the last report that we wanted to run. It will come under running. You will also see other historical events on the reporting, as in the failed events, and it will also tell you as to what it failed on. For now, we are just waiting for this particular report to run successfully. As we see, the report has succeeded here. From this point on, we can actually go to the File Explorer and plug in the shared folder name from the clipboard and see the report appear in that shared folder. We can also identify the report by the name of it. Let's expand the name column here and have a look at the report. It's the third from the top, and that essentially is the report which we can open in PDF if we had the PDF viewer or Adobe Reader here. That is it for the video for now, and thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this helps for your future searches.